All right, River and Lily, we'll be right back. Got to do a quick charging adventure, okay? We'll bring you guys with you eventually. I just don't have everything ready. Getting ready to go on our next adventure, charging in Barstow. How exciting is that? I mean, you got Vail, Colorado, but Barstow? Come on, get out of here. All right, here we go. Gonna use some of that free charging, hopefully. Oh yeah, and I went to Lowe's and I got some more of these guys. So I got quite a kind of finish, transfer, and this pile of chaos. Try to get organized. So we're getting there, little bits at a time. Little bits at a time. So let's unplug from the home network. Oops, oh yeah, I gotta show you this too. I'm really proud of this. It's a little nerdy and geeky, but what do you think? So, first of all, over there, when I plug in, I just wasn't happy the way it was always working. So I have a temporary location right here. Caution, flux capacitor in operation, risk of electric shock. There you go. It's just a plastic it's just a plastic holder. That's all it is. Kind of prefer it tucked out of the way. Another interesting thing I did not realize, it's 1.21 gigawatts, but in the movie they say gigawatts. Anyone know why that is? I still don't know why. We're gonna head out to the other adventure network, as I mentioned earlier, in Barstow, and I really haven't spent a lot of time in Barstow. I don't know if that's good or bad, but look at this beautiful view we have here in Apple Valley. I also like in the settings here, you have the actual like satellite view, or you can switch the view here is more like the 3D graphic view. So it's up to you. We are definitely risking it a bit because we can go a total of 69 miles left in the vehicle, and we're going to arrive estimated at 24 miles. So let's see how accurate it is. And the last time we looked, there was one spot available. This is a Friday and it's Thanksgiving weekend, or Black Friday actually. So I hope there's a spot for us, and if not, there's Tesla as the backup. So pretty. One thing that just popped up on the screen, which is cool, because we told it we are going to the Rivian charging network. It came up with little pop-ups, is preparing battery for fast charging. So I'm assuming there's something going on in this area here, where it's getting the battery into the pristine moment. And right now I'm on the cruise control, but I'm doing the steering. So I did the single tap back, and it's on cruise control, maximum 70 miles per hour. And if we go back to the navigation, you'll see we're now arriving with 31 miles because I'm being more chill. Oh, turn that. I'm telling you, my camera person's having major issues. And actually, speaking of that, to help my camera person, I put it into auto cruise mode, where it's driving and steering and doing all that stuff for me. Anyway, we were talking about, and I wanted to capture it, is this actually is making us adventure more. But we want to adventure more. And I know Barstow may not sound sexy, but we still, getting to know the area, it's still got to be a cool city, and we're very intrigued. So this is just one of many areas that we'll start to get to know. There's Barstow right there. We're coming up on it. We are about 3 miles away. Trucks too. all those outlet stores. Wow, that looks crowded.
Take exit 178 toward Lenwood Road, then turn right onto Lenwood Road.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's next to an In-N-Out, an IHOP, Denny's.
Drive south on Lenwood Road. Then, in 900 feet, turn left onto Taylor Way. Drive east on Factory Merchants. Then turn left.
Okay, I can't talk. It's in the IHOP
In 400 feet,
shopping.
your destination will be on the right.
Which is nice. Here we go.
Drive north, then turn left. Then your destination will be on the right.
At least this one's more logical.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, right now, it did take I had to plug it in twice. I don't know why. It kind of threw an error and then it was fine. But now we're charging at a pretty good clip. Look at that, 516 miles per hour. So it'll be done in an hour and 2 minutes for free, which is not bad. And we get to visit Del Taco, Carl's Jr. No, but there's an outlet store back that way. So we're gonna go check that out. We're walking now into the outlet in Barstow here. So all these outlet stores. We'll see what that's like. And then from there, we still have about an hour left to go. Bundled up.
Yeah, it's cold.
We're going over this fun little bridge. I don't think anything really is. It's California. There's really no water.
There must be water at some point.
At some point, this must fill up with a bunch of water. Watch your ankles. We're shopping. We've got a couple things. Won't say what. And then a bunch of food trucks here. I'm gonna try to dig into something. I'm starving as usual. We ended up with Vulcan. I think it's Vulcan, right? And Tommy Hilfiger Christmas gifts. There you go. All right, it is 99% complete. $30.17 so far. Just 1% left, and you can see there what it's pulling in. So this will be free too. That's kind of nice. So if you were to pay though, just so you know, for mostly a full charge for this vehicle, because it was pretty empty, took a little over an hour, and yeah, it cost about $30 at the Rivian network. Now I didn't, who knows what Tesla would charge. I haven't gotten there yet. Overall was quite nice. Everything worked. I could check it remotely through the phone. And we are done. Look at that, 100%. If you talk long enough, good to go. All right, now I got to unplug or I get charged a penalty. We're heading back to Apple Valley, but I wanted to give a quick update here on the heated steering wheel. I mean, it's nice to have, but it's just not, this is a disappointment. The seat is really nice and toasty, that's no issue, but the steering wheel, like, it's warmer and you can feel that it's on, but it just doesn't really get that hot. So that part could be improved. This is cool. Right now it has the brights on. You can see it there, and then if you look up on the road, you'll see that the brights are on there too. It's funny how they move around. How it's digitally moving things around. That's wild. See how it just opened up? And there it's bringing it down again. Yep, we're stopping. All right, we're trying to brights, how they adjust. Yeah, there. See,
yeah,
it just lit up the trees.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's oncoming traffic, and it pulls it down.
Right.
Oh, there, it kind of did a quick little thing, and then it didn't. It does make you wonder, though, like, is it 100? Oh, there, it just lit up, but there's a car. I don't know. That's interesting. It makes you wonder.
We have no way of knowing if we're blinding people.
I almost need you to be in the other car, the Jeep, to do a test drive. Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That is so cool. Really cool. There. And it's bringing it down again.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That was the end of that one. Interesting. Barstow, not bad. Not a lot of, fast food, things like that. So the adventure, you could say, would be eating. And so I did get invited to Joshua Tree. So tomorrow, Stephanie and I are going to Joshua Tree. And that place, based on some of the other videos I've seen, looks amazing. I wish they built homes because, wow, it was really nice. So I will be filming that. I'll be there tomorrow. And if you guys have any other questions, tap it in the old computer and I'll get back to you. So far, so good. And y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.